Hey, Property Brother here on location. We had a freeze here in Texas, and one of the pipes that weren't insulated burst out here in the shop. Right here where the seat is, the valve blew right off of there. So it's split, and I'm gonna replace this T, basically just cap off this extension, and we should be able to turn the water back on. Be right back at you. Okay. We're rotating the pipe counterclockwise. Got a pipe wrench and just a pair of simple channel locks to brace it. And of course it's going to do that. Let the water run off. Get some Teflon tape, wrap it clockwise. Just a couple of rotations will be all right. Probably gonna get sprayed a little bit, but this is our 1/2-inch cap. Slide that on there. Bada bing, bada boom. Tighten this bad boy up. And we are watertight, y'all.